More than 65 crore devotees taking the holy dip at the Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj. The historic Mahakumbh has drawn to a close on the day of Mahashivratri. On the occasion of Mahashivratri, hordes of pilgrims took a holy dip in Prayagraj. The 45-day festival, which began on 13th of January this year, coincides with the rare celestial alignment that happens once every 144 years. Touted as the world's largest spiritual gathering on earth, the mega religious festival has attracted devotees from all four corners of the country and even the globe. Until yesterday, over 64 crore devotees took the holy dip at the Mahakumbh, making it the largest and the grandest so far. More than 10 million devotees were expected to take the dip today. And as we await the final figures, let's also take a look at the Maha numbers of this Mahakumbh. 15,000 sanitation workers were on ground working to make the Kumbh a grand success. The Mahakumbh is projected to generate over 3 lakh crore rupees in trade, and it has generated over 1.2 million temporary jobs. 14,000 trains were organized to facilitate the ease of movement. 7,000 buses, including 550 shuttle buses, were plying to and fro. One cannot forget the collective efforts of more than 45,000 police officers, 99 parking lots, holding over 500,000 vehicles. 1,50,000 toilets have also been installed, and the installation of 30 pontoon bridges over the river to help the devotees. While the world is looking with awe, the numbers clearly were not big enough for our opposition. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav has said that Kumbh was organized to hide corruption. The ally from TMC Mamata Banerjee calls it Mrityu Kumbh, while RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav has fired the faltu hai or useless jibe. Jaya Bachchan, a member of parliament from Samajwadi Party, alleged that the bodies of the stampede victims were thrown in the river. Congress's DK Shivakumar has claimed that there is no need to go to Kumbh. That is nothing great. And Samajwadi Party MP Afzal Ansari claims that heaven will be houseful looking at the massive crowd at the Kumbh. And as the historic Kumbh concludes, did politics overshadow faith, or was the confluence of faith and spirituality much larger than human life and way above politics? That's the question we'll be posing to our guests.
इन नेताओं का एक वर्ग ऐसा है जो धर्म का मखौल उड़ाता है, उपहास उड़ाता है। हमारे समाज को बांटना, उसकी एकता को तोड़ना ही इनका एजेंडा है।
ये जो स्वर का नाम ले रहे हैं, ये हम लोगों ने किसी ने नहीं कहा कि पानी खराब है गंगा का। सेंट्रल पॉल्यूशन बोर्ड ने कहा है कि ये गंगा का पानी खराब है। मुझे तो लगता है ये दिल्ली और लखनऊ के झगड़े में एक दूसरे को गाली दे रहे हैं।
আমি একটু অজ্ঞ আছি এ ব্যাপারে। যদি কেউ বিশিষ্ট মানুষ থাকেন, আমি তাদের কাছে অনুরোধ করব যে আপনারা একটু গবেষণা করে আমাদের জানাবেন সঠিক সত্যতা কি, সঠিক তথ্যটা কি।
Kaushal Mishra, spokesperson for the Bharatiya Janata Party, continues to stay with us. Pooja Mishra, who is a spokesperson for the Samajwadi Party. Advocate Niladri Bhattacharjee, who is a political analyst, also backs the TMC. Shashank Shekhar Jha, who is a lawyer at the Supreme Court, continues to stay with us. Many thanks to you all for joining in. I want to, in fact, quickly take that question from you, Pooja, first. That quality of the water has constantly and consistently been questioned by the opposition, including Akhilesh Yadav. The most obvious question that comes to mind is that what prompted him to, in fact, go and take the dip if the water was so dirty?
First of all, happy Mahashivratri to each and everyone, and to your viewers too. And talking about the quality of water, quality of Ma Ganga Jal, it is not what opposition questioned, it is what Central Pollution Control Board stated. It is what in November 2024, 24th of November, NGT fined the DM of Varanasi, stating that the Ma Ganga Jal is not fit for Achmani. And in 2014, only 23rd of the December, the Uttar Pradesh Pollution Control Board was directed by the NGT to submit the report of Ma Ganga Jal, and they failed to do so. And in the Feb month, in the 3rd of the Feb month, when the Central Pollution Control Board submits its a report on the quality of Ma Ganga Jal, at that time also the Uttar Pradesh Pollution Control Board failed to submit the report of how pure Ma Ganga is. They submitted the report only before the the Mahakumbh started. And NGT is questioning. This is not us questioning. And in one hand, our Chief Minister in the Vidhan Sabha says that we want scientists in our nation, and the other hand, when the scientists present these reports, they deny it. No, these reports are not true.
This is not the first time that such reports have arrived. We've also seen Mahakumbh take place earlier. The NGTs always raise the issue of the Ganga cleanup. What did the Samajwadi Party do is also a question that can be posed. But right now in the dock is also the BJP. So I'll let Kaushal Mishra answer that.
आकांक्षा, पहले तो आपके थ्रू और आपके माध्यम से पूरे देशवासियों को शिवरात्रि की बहुत बहुत बधाई
जी आपको। और
इसमें सिर्फ यही कहना चाहूंगा कि महाभारत के 4थे अध्याय में एक श्लोक कहा गया है कि यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम अधर्मस्तदात्मानं प्रजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापना संभवामि युगे युगे। तो जब जब धरती पर पाप बढ़ता है, भगवान किसी न किसी रूप में अवतार लेते हैं। समाजवादी पार्टी और इंडी गठबंधन वाले जितनी बार सनातन को गाली देते रहे, सनातन के खिलाफ बोलते रहे, ये कुंभ एकदम भगवान के अवतार की तरह है। और जिसने ये बताया कि हिंदू धर्म में कोई डिवीजन नहीं है, इनकी जाति की पॉलिटिक्स खत्म कर दी, इनकी डिवीजन की पॉलिटिक्स खत्म कर दी। ये लोग जातिगत जनगणना करने जा रहे थे, हिंदुओं को डिवाइड करने जा रहे थे अपनी पिटी पॉलिटिक्स के लिए, और वहीं पर कुंभ आया और कुंभ ने ये साबित कर दिया कि जहां पर 65 करोड़ से ज्यादा हिंदुओं ने स्नान किया, वहां पर ना आपको कोई जाति नजर आई, ना कोई वर्ग नजर आया, ना कोई SC ST OBC का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नजर नहीं आया, कोई घाट नजर नहीं आया। और समाजवादी पार्टी जिसका कैरेक्टर ये रहा है कि वो कांवड़ यात्रा बंद कराते हैं, वो 84 कोसी परिक्रमा बंद कराते हैं, वो शंकराचार्य पे लाठीचार्ज कराते हैं, वो राम भक्तों पे गोली चलाते हैं, वो काम करते हैं और हर उनके साथ खड़े होते हैं जो सनातन को गाली देते हैं। जब स्टालिन ये कहते हैं, अभी बात हो रही थी, स्टालिन के बेटे उदयनिधि ये कहते हैं कि सनातन डेंगू है, मलेरिया है, कोविड है, तो यही समाजवादी पार्टी के लोग मुंह बंद करके बैठ जाते। एक भी स्टेटमेंट आप इनके अखिलेश यादव जी का या किसी भी समाजवादी पार्टी के प्रवक्ता का ट्विटर हैंडल उठा के देख लीजिए, किसी ने स्टालिन के इस स्टेटमेंट की बुराई नहीं की। कुंभ में कहीं कोई अच्छा काम हुआ इसकी कोई तारीफ नहीं की। केवल एक वल्चर पॉलिटिक्स करते हुए आप देखिए कुंभ में लोग भगवान आकांक्षा 10 सेकंड मोर, कुंभ में राजनीति करने के लिए नहीं चुके, वहां पर शिव की मूर्ति की बजाय इन्होंने मुलायम सिंह यादव की मूर्ति बनाई और उसके बाद अपना राजनीति। और ये लोग कमियां बता रहे हैं ना, ये तो उत्तर प्रदेश की सेकंड बड़ी पार्टी है। ये कहते हैं हर स्टेट, हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, हर गांव में इनके लोग हैं। तो कुंभ में कमियां निकालने के बजाय सनातन का परचम लहराते, अपने कार्यकर्ताओं से कहते कि वो आकर के इसमें थोड़ी अव्यवस्था हो रही है तो उसको ठीक करे, पर नहीं, इन्हें करनी है पॉलिटिक्स। और पॉलिटिक्स किस लिए करनी है?
Let me bring in Pooja on that. I want to give her time to respond, Pooja, because the tone and tenor of the Samajwadi Party has also come into question every time referring to Mahakumbh. You're backing what Mamata Banerjee is saying by saying that you agree when she's referring to it as Mrityu Kumbh. You're referring to the Chief Minister and the officers taking a dip as chhapris. What kind of language is this befitting of an opposition party, which is one of the largest opposition parties from Uttar Pradesh?
Interrupted the BJP spokesperson, and
yes, I'll give you uninterrupted time, and I will ensure that you get uninterrupted time. Yes.
तो अगर आप कह रहे हो कि ये कहा जाता है कि छपरी जैसे स्नान कर रहे हैं, the chief minister were not bathing in the swimming pool, they were bathing in the holy, they were taking the holy dip in Ma Ganga. We just worship Ma Ganga. वहाँ पे आप स्नान कर रहे हो और आप ऐसे कृत्य करेंगे तो
does that justify?
बात आ जाते हैं जो कह रहे हैं,
does that justify the use of such derogatory language?
I think the action speaks louder than words, and how this chief minister was behaving is.
Let their actions be their responsibility. No. Let their actions be their responsibility. The language that you use is your responsibility.
Don't interrupt me. Don't interrupt me. Let me complete. I haven't completed even a single sentence, and
Please
you interrupted me. अगर अभी जो है भाजपा के प्रवक्ता कह रहे थे कि वहां पे जो है हमें कमियां दिखी, हाँ, और हम ही थे जो अपने दरवाजे खोले, हाँ, हम ही समाजवादी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता थे जो वहां पे मदद कर रहे थे, वो आपको नहीं दिखा, आपने आंखें बंद कर रखी हुई थी। और अभी जो आप कह रहे हो कि वहां पे जो लोग जिनकी मृत्यु हुई,
कौशल जी उन्हें
कौन है?
लेट हर
अभी भी लोग ढूंढ रहे हैं अपने मिसिंग लोगों को। अभी भी यहाँ पे जो है आपके पास में डाटा नहीं उनका। एक तरफ से आपके एआई डाटा को, ड्रोन को ये पता चल जाता है हाउ मेनी पीपल्स आर टेकिंग द होली डिप, ऑन द अदर हैंड आपको ये पता नहीं चलता कि हाउ स्टैम्पेड हैपेंड एंड हाउ मेनी पीपल डाइड देयर, हाउ मेनी पीपल आर स्टिल सर्चिंग फॉर देयर फैमिली मेंबर्स, उनके डेथ सर्टिफिकेट नहीं बन रहे। एंड यू आर सेइंग दैट 30 लोगों की डेथ हुई, ये फैक्चुअल नहीं है। मैं इलाहाबाद से हूं, मुझे ये भी पता है। और अभी भी आप राइट नाउ चले जाएंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा, मैं बोलती हूँ इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट के, आप आगे जाइए, स्टिल कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क इज गोइंग ऑन, जो हम कहते हैं करप्शन हाइड करने के लिए। अभी महाकुंभ खत्म होने आ गया हुआ है और आपका अभी भी कार्य चल रहा है।
Let's have Kaushal Mishra. I think you've raised some valid points. You've raised valid points, Pooja. I respect your questions. Kaushal Mishra.
पूजा, मुझे सिर्फ आप ये बता दीजिए, जब आप कुंभ में नहाते हैं या चीफ मिनिस्टर जी नहा रहे थे तो ऐसा क्या कर रहे थे जो अखिलेश जी ने नहीं किया था नहाते हुए? उसमें क्या डिफरेंस था ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, पहली चीज। दूसरी चीज, प्लीज पूजा जी सुन तो लीजिए, पूजा जी सुन तो लीजिए। जब आपने कुंभ कराया था उस समय सुन तो लीजिए, पूजा जी सुन लीजिए, जब आपने कुंभ कराया था तो आपको पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश में, ठीक, चलिए बोलिए ना, अब आपने, पब्लिक डिसाइड करेगी। जब आपने कुंभ कराया था तो उस समय मुल्ला मुलायम सिंह जी और शहजादा टीपू को चचा आजम खां के अलावा कोई और नहीं मिला था। कुंभ कमेटी का अध्यक्ष बनाने के लिए आपको पूरे समाजवादी पार्टी में नहीं, इसमें क्या आपको कष्ट क्यों हो रहा है? ये सब तो हकीकत है भाई। वो टोपी लगाते थे, अपने आप को मुल्ला मुलायम सिंह जी कहलवाते थे, पोस्टर लगते थे, टीपू का बर्थडे मनाया जाता था, और चचा आजम खां को जिस तरह से कुंभ कमेटी का अध्यक्ष बनाया गया, समाजवादी पार्टी में कोई और नहीं मिला था जिसको कुंभ कमेटी का अध्यक्ष बनाया जाए। उसके बाद कैग की रिपोर्ट ये कहती है कि 2 महीने पहले काम चालू हुआ था, 40% केवल रेवेन्यू खर्च हुआ था, 60% खर्च ही नहीं किया गया था।
I think we need to calm down.
आप लोगों ने बर्बाद किया, जिस तरीके से सनातन की आस्था पे चोट की, जिस तरह से आप लोगों को एक नॉन सनातन मिला जिसको कोई चिंता नहीं थी कुंभ कैसा हो, आपने मृत्यु कुंभ पे सवाल नहीं उठाया, आपने खड़गे की गरीबी पे सवाल नहीं उठाया, आपने कुंभ के ऊपर होने वाले किसी सवाल पर सवाल नहीं उठाया, आपने लालू पे ये नहीं कहा कि कुंभ फालतू पे सवाल नहीं उठाया। अरे पूजा जी,
I think it's deeply unfortunate that we cannot have a coherent discussion right now. Niladri, thank you for so patiently awaiting your turn. You know, with regards to the quality of water, we've also heard that we are all aware that when it came to the Ganga Sagar Snan, the NGT had hauled up the Bengal government also back then. So why just make this about Mahakumbh or call it Hindutva politics every time it is to do with a particular party ruling a particular state?
See, Akanksha, I agree. What you have said, your views are absolutely correct. But what I want to say is that the Mahakumbh 2025, which was supposed to be the grand congregation of faith, devotion of the Sanatan, has turned into a nightmare of government apathy, absolutely, high-handedness, and hiding of the figures of the death. See, Ganga Sagar also happens. I am not saying that a stampede or fires will not break out in a congregation of such a magnitude, but at least we don't hide it from the public. If people have died, we have seen in Bengal, if people have died, the bodies have come, the postmortem had to be done in Bengal, the death certificates were given out of here. Now, if people have died there on a stampede, the government should pull up the responsibility and say, yes, X number of people have died. It is okay. We all understand. See, you cannot do micromanagement of everything. There were good arrangements. You can fail up, but there is no harm in admitting that what you have lost. In Ganga Sagar, which is 1/5 of what the Mahakumbh was, we don't find these kind of allegations. What I think, what has happened, Akansha, there is now what we are seeing after these 10 years of this BJP rule. There is a failure, or rather a decreasing tendency of the federal structure. The center doesn't want to acknowledge the state doesn't want to acknowledge the center.
Okay.
And it is a very dangerous thing what we are going at.
Okay.
Because the constitution provides for a federal structure. That is where the real danger to this country lies. The real danger is not harm to the Sanatanis. No one is against the Sanatanis. We are all pious Hindus, and we all know what Sanatani means.
Okay.
But the differentiation and the collapsing of the federal structure is the issue. What I think, Akansha.
That is, I think, becoming a grave concern. No, Kaushal, let me complete my question. You want to come up with that response, and I'll give you time to do that. That is the opposition concern, that are we destroying the federal fabric of this country? Where's the accountability? Why doesn't the government then come up with the real figures? What about all of them who are claiming that they've still not received death certificate? I'm sure you also understand the kind of obstructions they'll now be facing, even if they have to claim that ex gratia amount.
Akansha, there is no problem they criticize the government. There is no problem they should criticize the administration of the UP government. But it doesn't give right that they should call the Mrityu Kumbh. They cannot call it Mrityu Kumbh. They can criticize me. Yes, there is a huge crowd, 63 crores. It is the biggest all over the globe. It is more than the population of USA. It is more than the population of every country of the world. Mismanagement may happen. We accept.
All right.
But it doesn't give you right.
Niladri, many would want to ask, do we refer to such kind of terminologies when there are similar stampedes happening during the Hajj?
Akansha, Mrityu Kumbh, the statement of our CM has been blown out of proportion. She has said, and she's clarified rather, that she has nothing against the Kumbh in particular, but she has only said about the deaths which have occurred there and the government apathy. She has clarified time and again, and including today also. Today also she has said that she has said that,
but they doesn't have any objection with the Sanatan.
Okay.
What a double standard.
No, it is not a double standard. She is very clear on this.
No. I am asking, have Mamata Banerjee objected about Mr. Priyank Khadge, Mr. Dayanidhi Stalin, when they called Sanatan is dengue, Sanatan is malaria, Sanatan is COVID, Sanatan is AIDS? Can you show me what statement?
Shashank Jha, I want to give you time for the closing thoughts. I have the figures with me. 10 million devotees taking dip on Mahashivratri alone. You're looking at nearly 65 crore devotees. The projected turnover is close to 3 lakh crores in trade. 15,000 sanitation workers have participated. 1.2 million temporary jobs have been created. Should all of this surpass the kind of politics that we've seen come in and being raked up by the opposition parties?
Namaste Akansha ji and my fellow panelists here. Akansha ji, first of all, happy Mahashivratri to all of us. Akansha ji, it is very unfortunate that today we are discussing in such a degradable manner regarding Hinduism. Now 65 crore population, that is equivalent to that of population of US, Australia, Japan and France all together and even more. So I guess we need to understand that despite this 65 crore plus population taking a dip in Ganga, including my family, my parents, I did not see even a single person saying that they have been suffering from some disease because they took a dip at Ganga. So that is something which should be appreciated. My parents also happened to have visited Kumbh Mela during Akhilesh Yadav and Ganga Sagar under the rule of Mamata regime, and the difference is very sharp. Here you have a good sanitation program. Here you have a good cleanliness program. You know, good question or good criticism from government should be allowed and must be appreciated. However, this basic deep shot against Hinduism must be criticized at all together. We have seen that how a statement against Islam on a particular TV has got someone life so scary that she is unable to come out of her own house, and she has been the national spokesperson of BJP. And here we are seeing that different chief ministers or former chief ministers or different politicians are taking continuously jibe on Hinduism. Why?
All right.
Today only, on the day of Mahashivratri, we have seen that
They are
Mamata
perhaps taking
government
jibes
of
at the
West Bengal
BJP
has
government.
actually removed
Nobody means or intends to at least take jibes at their own faith and Hinduism, because remember, several opposition politicians like Akhilesh Yadav and DK Shivkumar have also taken a dip in the holy Ganga.